Hello guys, today we will show you how to download and use Rivet application. First, open Play Store, then type Rivet. R-I-V-E-T. Choose the application, click install, accept, press the application for a kid to learn to speak English, but you will be able to use it. Now let's open the application. First, you have to register yourself with. After registered, you will see random type of level 1. Press the level panel to choose your level if you want easier or harder to read. As you can see, there are 8 types of level with random difficulties. Let's try to look at level 8. If we look at the level 8 book, every book theme is different, like an artist, history, people's vlog, short story, animals, geography, and many more. But of course, this is the perfect level for you to learn if you are in a senior high school or junior high school. Now, maybe we should try to open the level 1. Level 1, of course, different with level 8. Where is the differences? Let's check it out. For example, we'll open See the Sky book. Swipe to page 1. As you can see, every page contains of one sentence and a big picture. After you read the book, you'll get a prize. Pop the balloon. Now let's look at level 8. For example, I choose Russian Revolution book. It contains 2 or 3 paragraphs in every page.